How to turn off Ask Permission to Download app on App Store. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly to fix the issue with Google Play Store, tap and hold on the app icon. From there you will see the eye icon. Simply click on it. Go to permission and here make sure all the important permission for the Google Play Store to run smoothly is enabled. After that in the settings again go to storage uses. Click on it and click on clear cache. As sometimes collected cache can also affect the performance of the application. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.